All right, back on track for the walk through the museum here. We got some birds flying overhead here. So this is the Hoosier Valley. Is it Hoosier Valley Railroad or Historic Railroad? Hoosier Valley Railroad Museum. There we go. Right there on the train. All right. So I don't remember things very well sometimes. All right. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, some controls. Look there. Thought maybe they were going to have them. Oh, for switching. Oh, sorry. You didn't see any of that, did you? Let's see. And just a whole lot of history here. With some accidents and train versus cement truck. Nickel Plate Road. So the car that we're going to go on is an open air car, and it's from the Nickel Plate Road. And growing up, my grandfather used to talk about the nickel plate tracks. Didn't understand. I thought the plates, the track itself was nickel plated. So, not the fact that it was the railroad named that. And we talked about the nickel plate tracks in Michigan City. We're in North Judson, Indiana right now. And look at some of this stuff here. Clocks. Yeah, clocks were very important. And so look at the caboose, of course, had to be heated because somebody was back here the whole time. Until the 70s when they had started doing into-train devices. And so this is the caboose. And what's that? Winter King switcher heater. Oh. Yeah. Wow. That's some really cool stuff here. Almost have to go further out for this. Let's take it out a little bit further out. Make sure you don't. They only have the width of the car to get everything in here. There's just a lot of pictures and so forth on the wall here. I'm talking about Carnegie 1897. Look at this, all the rail. Kansas City Southern engine over here. And the South Shore Railroad. Some derailments, all sorts of things here. Historical things here. All right, we're gonna be taking the steam engine ride here in a few minutes. I'm gonna make sure I don't overspend my time on here. I may have to come back again here. And then this will be the coach car that is on the train. I'm thinking everybody's gonna want to be on the outside. Okay, we're gonna go into a coach that is set up as part of the museum. And so, and I'm gonna make sure I don't fall down the thing. Okay, this one is a like set up for military transport with bunk beds and a uniform and this one says it's a quarter bunk. Place for rifles. Brotherhood of Sigelman. The calendar is found under a false floor during its troop sleeper car renovation. All right. First Indiana Infantry, Company H. Oh, wow. Nine bunk exhibit of the original 30 bunks that were in here. Wow, okay. (1952). This is what this looked like here. All right, I've got just a few minutes here to kind of walk through the rest of this car. But we'll get an overhead on the way back when I walk back through here. Just a ton. Oh, they have a hobo dictionary over here. Let me go ahead and and here's the trying not to get so much reflection here, but that's the model of this yard in 1952.
Excuse my steps, excuse my feet, stop where you're done. Hurry.
I'm coming.
Come on, faster than that. Pretend for a minute. Do you see it?
I don't see it yet.